Good afternoon, guys. It's the first day of open house. The bees are out. Let's see how the hive's doing. I climbed up there early this morning, and right out in front of the landing, the entrance there to the hive, I took a piece of, like the donuts come in, or like pieces of bread come in, the little plastic trays. And I cut one in half, and then I put it up there and screwed it to the tree, not to the actual hive itself, but out in front. And then I put some syrup that I made, some sugar and water. Anyway, that was a few hours ago. So check this out. First day of open house, and we got some excitement. Anyway, like I said, this is the first day the bees have been out. It's been too cold the last few days, and I don't think they're going to move in. This doesn't mean they're moving in right now, but I mean, definitely getting some attention. Anyway, I thought that was cool as shit, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yeah, that's cool as shit. Alright guys, short video. I'm out.